everyone, and I hope you enjoy this video, because this is actually a time-lapse of me traveling to Olds, Alberta from Sundre. Now, you might notice that the camera placement, I should have had it a little higher, I should have checked that, but oh well, it is what it is, and, you know, just welcome to my channel. I make mistakes all the time, to be honest. Something, though, that actually is coming up. So, May 13th, there is going to be a Dyno Day in Devon, Alberta that is actually women-centric. It's called Girl Power. And honestly, I love this idea. It's empowering women to come out and be a part of the car hobby a little more, right? So I love that. And, you know, there's going to be a competition of, like, who can change spark plugs the fastest in these heads. I'm assuming they're going to be on a table. I don't think they're going to be in a vehicle, but maybe they are. Hard to say for sure. But the reason why I'm talking about this is not only because it's just really cool, there's a bunch of sponsors, and I'll talk more about that later. I don't have much time in this video to talk about that. But it happens to be a mobile dyno, like a trailer dyno. So diesels and stuff like that can come out, and actually any diesel that runs on the dyno can actually get a free tune from, I'm trying to remember who it was at the moment, it's not on the top of my head. There's been so much information that has been sent my way from John, and I'm just helping him kind of promote this thing, because it's his. Now, the thing is, my car, it's going to be on the dyno. Like, I'm going to be there. May 13th. My 81 Mustang is going to be on that dyno, and we'll see if it makes the least amount of power out of any of the vehicles that day, because it might. You know, and hopefully by then we'll have the header built between me and my neighbor, because by then I'll be able to drive my convertible, because the snow will be melted. So hopefully, you know, we can have it built within a couple of weeks. Then we can bolt it onto the car, figure out how to route the exhaust to the dual exhaust, and be good. You know, and then hopefully then we can get a good base number before putting a cam in it and before doing this really wild head. So, friend of mine, Shane, who is an engineer, he's absolutely amazing at what he does. He's actually building a multi-port fuel injection for my engine, and basically he's going to tie into a stock 250 head, and he has it not run off of any computers whatsoever. It's just simple sensors, simple circuit boards he's making with LEDs and magnets within the distributor cap. It's going to be absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to see what happens. Now, he has heard my concerns about potentially the AFR might be a problem, so he's looking into actually adding a mass airflow or a MAP sensor. That way we can tune it a little easier and stuff like that. But really, this is going to be an awesome system that you have never ever seen before, especially on this engine. So can't wait.